What do you think? Do you like it? Is it a good toy? It seems to be pretty good. You got your magic jumping shoes on. Oops, you're a little bit crooked there. We'll straighten you up in a sec. Dum-da-dum-da-dum-dum. No, you're okay. You're just leaning. Maybe I need to tighten that thing onto you a little bit better next. No? Whee! Dum-da-dum-da-dum. We should put on some music and have a dance. You're going around in circles. Hey, kiddo. Hello. Hi. Hi. Yay. Is it good? Yeah. You're pretty good at that. That's a happy sound. Should I fix your shoes? I wish I could find you some non-slippery shoes. I'm gonna ask Mommy. You seem to be having fun anyway, but you're kind of scooting around. You're going in circles too. That's because you're pushing with one leg more than the other. Hey kiddo! Baby Leia! Come on over here. Where's Daddy? Hello. Hey. Hi there. Hi. Whee! There we go. Woo. Doom, da doom, da doom, da doom, da doom, doom, doom.